What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at the Google Nest Mini. So this is the second generation to the Google Mini, and I actually got this with a TV that I bought. I got this free included, and so we're going to unbox it, going to take a look at it, and maybe do a little comparison to the first generation. So let's get this thing unboxed. Hey guys, so here's the box here. As you can see, has a picture of the Google Nest Mini here. It says second generation down at the bottom. Here's a little information on the side. You can turn up the music. It's the mini speaker with bigger sound. You can group this with other speakers to fill your home with sound. You can control your lights, thermostats, thousands of smart devices with your voice. Set timers, weather, things of that nature. And here it is. So this thing is an improvement in a lot of ways from what I've read from the first gen, and we're going to get into it and see what it's all about. So let's get this open. Nice box presentation here. So easy to slide open, and the first thing you get is your Google Nest Mini. So here it is. Let's see what else is included in the box here. So you do get your paperwork here, and I can get this out of here, guys. All right, so you get your Let's Get Started guide. Being part of your home means respecting your privacy. So a little literature there and safety warranty information. The Getting Started guide tells you how to hook this up. You have to get the Google Home app from the Play Store or the App Store, and you'll be on your way. And it also includes your charger. So this is a proprietary charger, and it's very long as well. So that's all in the box. Yeah, nothing else in the box. So we'll get this thing and take a look at it. So here it is. As you can see, I have the chalk color. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and get the old one, do a little comparison. Hey guys, so we're back in. Excuse my voice. From the time I filmed the first part of this video to now, picked up a cold. So I hope this is not too annoying. But I wanted to show you the difference in the type of plugs that you have. The first gen, you have a micro USB in, and on the Google Nest Mini, you have this type of in. So that is a difference. You cannot use interchange the power supply cables. Now, as far as looking at these, they both have the same thickness, same type of material that they're using on the outside of them. If we go around it here, you can see your power port. You can see your mute switch right there. And then on the bottom of it, you do have your mounting hole here on this one, where this one doesn't. Now this is rubberized all the way around the Nest Mini, where this is just rubberized on the bottom, and this is plastic on the side here. But weight-wise, they feel the same. So that is a look at the physical appearance and differences of them. Now let's get into how they perform. Okay guys, so we're back in. So with these two devices, you're able to set timers, reminders, get sports updates, weather, control your smart home devices, play music, etc., etc. You're also able to continue to transfer your music from one room to another using something that they call stream transfer. I'll try and demonstrate that in a little bit on the two devices. So with the Nest Mini, capacitive control, and it uses something called the ultrasonic sensor, which is supposed to turn on the lights when your hand gets close to it. But I tried this off camera and I can't get it to actually work, as you can see. But if I touch it here, you can see that both of your capacitive buttons for your volume up and down do show up on each side, where with the original one here, you don't have those capacitive buttons on the side right there. So that is one difference. The Nest Mini is supposed to be smarter and faster at learning your most common commands. You can also make Google phone calls on the Google Nest Mini, and it's supposed to have 40% stronger bass. So let's go ahead and try these out and see what we got here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the mic off on the Google Nest Mini. And let's fire this one up and check out the volume. This is first gen. Hey Google, play some non-copyright music. Hey Google, volume max. Hey Google, stop music. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and play some music on the Google Nest and compare the sound that we just heard. Hey Google, I may have to turn the mic off on this one, so we'll go ahead and turn the mic off.
The mic's off.
And make sure the mic is on over here.
The mic's back on.
All right. Hey Google, play some non-copyright music. Hey Google, max volume. Hey Google, stop music. So just from that little example there, I'm not sure if I can tell the differences in the loudness or not. They both sound very well. Let's try some other commands with the Google Nest. Hey Google, what's the weather in Alexandria, Louisiana?
Right now in Alexandria, it's 62 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 66 and a low of 47.
Hey Google, what's 20 times 2?
The answer is 40.
Hey Google, set an alarm for 30 minutes.
There, your alarm's set for today at 12:48 p.m.
Okay, so that works very well, as you can see. It's capable of doing the same thing here, guys. So let's try the feature where we can transfer music from one room to the next. So let's go ahead and try it. Hey Google, play some non-copyright music. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it from the first gen to the Google Nest Mini. Hey Google, transfer music to bedroom speaker.
All right, I'll play it on bedroom speaker.
But I could be a crush, I could feel you for a
All right, so this one is playing. It's playing a different selection, but it did transfer it for some reason or another. So that feature works right there. Okay, guys, so this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Google Nest Mini. At the time of this filming, the price of it is $35. You can get this in 4 colors. It comes in charcoal, sky, coral, and chalk. I picked this up from Best Buy. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Will H, and I'm out.